Okay, let's do unboxing of this sliding shower chair.
What are we doing? This is the Loyoda sliding shower chair. Specific model is the FBL 65351. Taking the accessories out for the chair. So we're looking at all of the hardware here listed. We'll get it put out and start assembling. Looks like the first step is going to be the sitting piece of the chair. And we'll start attaching the members. So the important thing is that when you put these main support tubes in, these two holes that are in the middle need to be facing outward, and then these two holes need to be facing down in this case, but because we have the seat upside down, it's currently in that position, but we need these holes for this one to be facing outward, just like this. And then the next one, same thing. These need to be outward, but these two need to be downward if this chair was put together already, but in this case, because it's upside down, upward. And then for this side, you got to pull the latch out to be able to slide it in. Next is the feet assembly. They slide on both sides. So the hardware comes in a Ziploc bag that was attached to the backrest. It comes in all shrink wrapped in, so you got to take that off. And then in the Ziploc bag, you're going to get these screws that have Loctite on them with washers. And these are the ones that are going to secure the leg attachment to the support braces. Here you got 2 screws on this side, and then you got 2 screws on that side, and it does come with an Allen wrench. Now we got these screws tightened in. Preliminarily set these feet in, and it all depends on the slope of your tub that you're putting it in, and then the height requirements. So you can actually adjust the height, plus turn that these angles are back here. You can see pop in and out, and then also you can turn depending on which level you need. So for us, we're going to be using this side, and then we'll start with probably somewhere in the middle like that, and then make the adjustments based on the height of the actual. So the way these armrests fit in is this slides over, and then you got another push spring here. It's gonna go inside, and just press it in, slide over, and it locks in. And this here just snaps in like that. Spring, slide over, snap in. This is where you can pull the lever out, and you're able to spin it around. And the backrest also has spring-loaded pins. Slide in, push them in, and they snap in here. The way this sits in is the pull lever is going to be in the orientation where if you sit on it, you're able to pull on it in the front. And this is the piece that adjusts the location. You're able to slide. We'll set it in. make the adjustment. Once you have the feet adjusted, and then these rubber pieces actually rotate too, so you can adjust depending on your floor, make sure that they sit correctly. And once those are adjusted, the way this thing operates is you position yourself, release the locking mechanism. You release the mechanism, and then you can have one foot over at that point, release the mechanism, and you could either use your feet, or if you have a grab bar, you could let this go too. It'll actually slide, get your other foot over. You want to be in the locking position, so now you're technically in the tub at this point. There's an additional safety strap. Lock you in. Due to a slippery seat or unstable feet, you can secure yourself with this belt here, which is available. And then when you want to get out, you want to release the mechanism and start moving, and then to your comfort level, you would move your feet over. And once this gets to the position where it locks itself, it's secure. And then also you have the knob here to where you can rotate completely out.